All right, everyone, here it is. I'm claiming this right now like I did with the TikToker hairstyle. I'm calling this the Gym Bro hairstyle, all right? And what it is basically the TikToker type of hairstyle, but instead of having it all flipped up in the front, it's actually more just hanging in the face like this with light little texture coming down this way. And why is this gonna be a trend? Because I'm gonna make it a trend right here. So I just posted this on TikTok. Share this, leave your comments below. And I think it's gonna be something that's gonna be a huge hair trend for 2023. And I wanna claim this right now. So really what it is, it's just kind of like the old school hockey player haircut. And I think I'm calling it the Gym Bro haircut because a lot of bros have this style when they're working out in the gym where the hair is just kind of messy, it falls in the face like this. It's not really like a perfectly flipped up or slicked back hairstyle. It's a bit messy, but it has a lot of structure to it. So it's almost the same type of approach as the TikToker hairstyle where it's layered and stuff like this and you need a little texture moving in through here. But instead of trying to make all that effort to flip it up and do this, which you still can do, now it's a bit more about having it kind of tousled and a bit more in the face like this, but having a lot of texture and making it still look neat, but messy at the same time. And the back, it's basically almost the same thing. It's just styled very differently. And you can have variations of it to where, you can have it where it's faded up throughout the back, like a number, 1 or a number 2. Or in my opinion, I think we're gonna start to see longer versions of this where it's not shaved up on the sides. It's almost like, an inch in length throughout here, working up into the top. The top length, I'll just lower this for a minute here. The top length, once again, it's probably about, I'd say, 4.5, 5 inches or so. You can have different variations of this. I would just say no longer than the hair comes down to about the bridge of the nose. You need to have some length here in order to get that texture and have it a little more messy into here, but we're not trying to flip this up, okay? Now, styling it, I would highly suggest using Tidal Wave while their hair is damp. And what you can do is you can use the blow dryer, right? You spray it in when it's damp and use the blow dryer on a low speed setting. And what you want to do is just kind of blow all the hair forward coming down this way. And then at the very, very end, you just want to blow the hair all down like this towards the face. And then you want to take the hands and just a little bit of scrunching like this, right throughout the front here to add some separation. But the reason you want to have the air on low is that you're not blowing the hair all over the place and making a big mess of it. So you're actually trying to create a lower type of texture right throughout the front here. And I'm just scrunching like this. And you can see it's just got a little bit of movement here, a little bit of shape. And it can go over one way or go over the other way or all straight down. But it's one of those things where if basically, you just shake your head, do one of those classic head shakes, the hair is just gonna fall right into place. So if you're going to, a barber or a stylist, take a screenshot of this now because this is what I'm claiming as one of the biggest hair trends starting probably now and going into 2023. Again, I'm claiming this right now. Let's see if, the trend goes onto TikTok. I just posted a TikTok on it. Go to my TikTok at TheSalonGuy and leave a comment saying, you're here from YouTube and watch the video I did there. I think my highest viewed video on TikTok is like 22 million views. So if you're not following me there, definitely check me out. And if you are interested in purchasing the blow dryer or any of my products, use code YouTube20. Let's make this a trend. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.